In Google Slides, you can easily turn any object or text into a link. And linking between slides is a powerful feature with lots of possibilities. It can be used to add a simple table of contents, or to create an interactive presentation like this one. In this presentation, you can click a planet to go to that planet's slide. Once there is another link that you can click to navigate back to the first slide. Okay, let's try setting this up for ourselves. Start by selecting the object or text that you want to turn into a link. In this example, I'll select the text that says, "Return to first slide." Then, right-click your selection and choose Link. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control-K or Command-K if you're on a Mac. A dialog box will open. If you want to link to a website, you can add a URL. But to link to another slide within your presentation, click Slides in this presentation. Select the slide you want and click Apply. That's it. Your selection is now a clickable link. Notice that the text formatting has automatically changed. You can use the toolbar to change it back if you want, but this formatting is helpful because it lets people know that this text is clickable. Whenever you select an object or text that is linked, a dialog box appears. From this dialog, you can remove, edit, or copy the link. You can also go to the link. Let's do that to make sure it's working correctly. Perfect. Okay, now I want to turn Jupiter into a link. But there's a problem. This slide is a single image, meaning that I can't actually select the planet. A workaround is to create a transparent shape and place it over top of Jupiter. This technique allows you to turn any part of your slide into a link. In the toolbar, click Shape. Hover over Shapes and choose the circle. Then click and drag to draw the shape. Move the circle so that it lines up with Jupiter. Next, we need to make the circle transparent. In the toolbar, change the fill to transparent, and change the border to transparent as well. There, now we have an invisible object on top of Jupiter. With the object selected, add a link using the keyboard shortcut Control-K or Command-K. When the dialog box opens, click the Slides drop-down, select the slide you want, and click Apply. Let's make sure everything is working. Click Present to start the presentation. Notice how the cursor changes when I hover over Jupiter, and when I click, it takes me to the Jupiter slide. When I click Return to First Slide, it takes me back. Everything is working. We are well on our way to building an interactive presentation. You can repeat this process to create links for the rest of the planets and slides, but you can also use copy and paste to speed things up. However, when you copy and paste an object, the link will stay the same. That means that you'll have to edit the link by clicking the pencil icon, removing the current link, and selecting the correct slide. As you can see, once you get the hang of linking between slides, there are nearly endless possibilities.